Friends, take one clean boiling test tube. Fix it to a test tube holder like this. Now with a pillar, add a small quantity of hydrogen peroxide in the test tube. Friends, arrange the Bunsen burner setup and ignite the Bunsen flame. Now gently heat the test tube on Bunsen flame. Take care while heating. Friends, observe it clearly. Gas is evolving, right? Do you know what is the gas liberating? It is oxygen, friends. To prove this, introduce a glowing piece of paper into the boiling test tube. What do you observe? It burns brightly, right?
The reason for this is, on heating, hydrogen peroxide decomposes and liberates oxygen and water, which makes the paper to burn brightly.